If your hair is currently suffering from the damaging effects of maybe drying it, styling it, curling it, coloring it, maybe just environmental stress, and you're just tired of dealing with dry split ends or stubborn frizz, or maybe heavy oils that you've used that leave your hair just looking flat and incredibly greasy. So you're not alone. This was gifted to me from the brand, and finding that perfect balance between that intense, deep hydration that you want, but also you want it to be weightless and voluminous, and it's a hard balancing act. So I'm gonna try this out. These are concentrated hair oil capsules. And as a mom, I love clean, modern, super easy, streamlined beauty routine. I'm just completely love the execution of these little vials. Now, what completely sets these treatments apart from your standard pump bottle or oil is that each system has each individual capsule, which contains just the perfect amount of dose. I can be bad sometimes and I like pump it in my hand. That's probably way too much. So with this, you get a perfect consistency application. Every single time you have zero mess and you have zero waste. And it's no guesswork. So it's just easy. You just use one of these, super straightforward. And I love that you can put these in your travel bag, in your suitcase. You can put them on your vanity. It doesn't take up a ton of space, and they're quick for on the go. All you have to do is you twist the top of it, this little spot right here. You're just gonna give it a good twist, and then you just twist the top of it off, and then you're just gonna squeeze the oil. You can see the oil right there, right into the palm of your hand. And so you can apply it directly. You're gonna go mid-length down to the ends. The smell, not a bad smell, just simply straightforward, nothing flowery. And so a few common questions that always seem to tend to pop up with this is, the first big question is, can you use this on wet hair? Yes, so absolutely. So it works perfectly when you apply it directly to damp hair right out of the shower. So that's exactly what I did, because it helps lock in that crucial moisture as your hair is drying. And then you can also use it though on completely dry hair, which is super flexible, and I love that, to smooth down the frizz and tame those stubborn flyaways. And then it adds like a salon shine to it. So that's another one. Now, another question that comes along is, can I use this on curly hair? The answer is definitely yes. I have naturally curly hair, and this formula is actually specifically created for almost all hair types. So it's just, again, an intense repair and revitalization, whether your hair pattern is naturally straight, wavy, curly, coily, all of those hair patterns. These capsules are going to provide you that really targeted, deep, penetrating nourishment. Now, another question, a third one, is it going to leave my hair super heavy and greasy? So my hands are not greasy at all. I love that this potent formula is just powered by a premium blend of high quality ingredients. So it has keratin for your protein reinforcement, and then it has rose hips, argan oil for the deep hydration, and then it's also has macadamia and camellia, I think, seed oils, which are super unique because they closely mimic your hair's own natural oils. And so it is nice to be able to use those lightweight formulas to provide that moisture, and it just feels like it's literally absorbed into my hair. I can't even feel it on my hair, and it just leaves it super soft actually, and again, not heavy, greasy, thick. It's just super easy. It has aloe vera to help soothe the scalp too, if you rub it into the scalp, for your long-term health of your scalp and your hair. So it doesn't have any sulfates, no parabens. It gives you just that clean, non-greasy spa-like experience, and it is right at your fingertips at home. So if you're ready to just transform the manageability of your hair and enjoy healthier looking locks, these capsules are super easy, and I love them on my vanity. Hopefully this was helpful, help you elevate your hair care routine. We'll see you next time.